how to fix Stecam Command Pro app not working. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another tutorial, and on today's video we will see how we can fix if Stecam Command Pro application is not working as expected. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. The first thing, you have to check your internet connection. Make sure you are connected to a stable and a reliable Wi-Fi or a mobile data network. You can switch between your Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if your issue persists. But if that's not your case, the second option or the second step is to make sure that your application is updated. Now, to check for updates, you have to open a Play Store. Tap on the search icon from the bottom right corner, and in the search bar, search for the application and tap on it. Here, if you find an update button where I have opened, that means the application needs to be updated to its latest version. Tap on update. Once the update is complete, go back and open up the application and check whether the problem is solved or not. If still not, now you have to clear cache and data. For that, again navigate to your application in your mobile device and search for the application. Then tap and hold on it, tap on app info. Once you're here, tap on storage and cache. Here, tap on clear cache. Once you have cleared cache, all the glitches will be removed from your device, which will help you to solve your problem in the application. Now, again go back, open up the application and re-log in if needed. And if that still does not help you, then you have to reinstall the application. In order to do that, again open up the application or navigate to the application. Now you have to uninstall it. So tap and hold on it, tap on app info, then tap on uninstall, then tap on OK. Once you have deleted the application, now you have to reinstall it back from the Google Play Store. So open up Play Store and search for Command Pro or Stecam Command Pro application, then install it again. Now you can open up the application and re-log in to a login credential, and that's gonna help you fix your problem. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.